I never made it.
So today, if you can see above me, we managed to put up our veranda, which was a massive undertaking. Well, felt massive. There was 3 of us, cutting all of the blanket and then passing the sheets up to Matt and my dad Ed on the roof, and they came up with a system to help them install that. So we're pretty excited. Gives us a bit of shade. Yep. And we thought we would just do a quick recap of how it went and what's planned for the next weekend. Because everything is weekend by weekend now, seeing as Matt's back at work, which is no drama. It just means we've got to get a bit smarter with our time.
Work faster.
So what's next? What do we have to do next?
We'll put the rest of the roof up.
Yeah. It's going to take a while.
Yep.
But do we need to do anything before that?
I got to finish putting the gutters up around the house. On the other side of the house. On the other side. Put the gutters up. There, that's pretty much it.
Oh my god!
You caught me at the wrong time of the day.
So gutters, and then ceiling battens need to be screwed in, which is a bit of a crappy job because it takes ages, but that's okay. And then roof sealing on the house. Yes, happy days. That will take approximately a month. No?
I don't know.
No, we'll get it done in 2 weekends' time. No worries.
Roof be easy.
Easy. It's going to be terrifyingly hard.
Yep.
Yeah. Anyway, happy days. Happy days.
Bye.
Tell me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I want to see you more than this. And every time you're lost